In this video, we listed the 5 best Creality 3D printer on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality Office Ender 5. The Creality Ender 3 S1 Pro offers high-temperature printing capabilities, supporting multiple filaments with temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. Featuring a Sprite full-metal dual-gear direct extruder with 80N extrusion force, this printer ensures smooth feeding for precise prints. The CR Touch automatic leveling system enhances accuracy and efficiency, while the 4.3-inch LCD with a brand new user interface makes operation easy. With 96% pre-installed components, the Ender 3 S1 Pro offers a quick and straightforward 6-step assembly process. On the other hand, the Ender 3 V2 Neo boasts a classic and stable integrated design, enhanced accuracy with CR Touch, and a full metal Bowden extruder for smooth filament feeding. Its adhesive and bendable build plate, along with quick assembly and user-friendly new UI, make printing a hassle-free experience. Lastly, the Ender 3 V2 printer features DIY assembly, an integrated structure, high-precision printing, stable power supply, quality extruder, and rapid heating up capabilities. Manufactured by Creality in mainland China, these printers offer a range of features tailored for different printing needs, ensuring quality and reliability for users. Number 2. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. The Creality printer offers a user-friendly experience with easy setup in just 3 steps, utilizing the CR Touch sensor for auto leveling and a strain sensor for auto Z offset, ensuring a perfect first layer without the need for calibration cards or knob screws. The printer's efficient filament loading-unloading process can be completed within 20 minutes. Equipped with the market-proven Sprite direct drive extruder, it supports various filaments like PLA, PETG, and TPU, enabling diverse printing possibilities. The 32-bit silent mainboard ensures precise control of all axes with reduced operational noise. Printing at speeds up to 250 mm/s with 2500 mm S2 acceleration, the printer allows for rapid and lively printing, facilitated by the optimized UI displaying key parameters. The Y-axis linear shafts and dual Z-axis lead screws enhance stability and accuracy, minimizing wobbling. The PC spring steel build plate enables easy model removal, while the power loss recovery function prevents filament and time wastage by resuming printing after unexpected power failures. Creality provides a comprehensive 12-month after-sales service for the printer and a 3-month service for wearing parts, ensuring continued support. With a range of features like multi-language support, ample build volume, and compatibility with various operating systems and Slice software, this Creality printer, manufactured in mainland China, offers a reliable and efficient 3D printing solution for users. Number 3. Creality CR6 SE. The Creality CR6 SE 3D printer offers a range of features tailored for efficient printing. With a printing speed of 80 mm/s and a power supply of 350 W, this printer does not have auto leveling, but supports English and Chinese languages. It can achieve a maximum printing speed of 200 mm/s and is compatible with various operating systems, including Windows XP, Win 7, Win 8, Mac, and Linux. The printer supports filaments such as PLA, ABS, TPU, copper, wood, carbon fiber, and gradient, with a precision of 0.01 mm and a nozzle diameter of 0.4 mm, custom options available. The maximum print size is 235 x 235 x 250 mm, utilizing FDM molding technology. Operating at a voltage range of 110-220 V, the printer features a USB interface, CE certification, and originates from mainland China under the brand name Creality. The model number for this printer is CR6 SE, offering a reliable and versatile 3D printing solution for users. Number 4. Creality CR10. The Creality CR10 Smart 3D printer combines speed and precision with user-friendly features for optimal printing results. With a printing speed of 80 mm per s and a power supply of 350 W, this printer offers auto-leveling functionality and supports English and Chinese languages. It can achieve a maximum printing speed of 200 mm per s and operates on various systems including Windows XP, Win 7, Win 8, Mac, and Linux. The printer supports filaments like PLA, ABS, TPU, copper, wood, carbon fiber, and gradient, with a precision of 0.01 mm and a standard nozzle diameter of 0.4 mm, custom options available. The maximum print size is 300 x 300 x 340 mm, utilizing FDM molding technology. Operating at a voltage range of 110-220 V, the printer features a USB interface, CE certification, and originates from mainland China under the brand name Creality. The model number for this printer is CR10 Smart, offering a reliable and versatile 3D printing solution for users. Number 5. Creality Ender 3S1. The Creality 3D printer, originating from mainland China under the brand name Creality, offers a range of features for precise and efficient printing. With a slice thickness range of 0.05, 0.35 mm, and a printing speed of 80 mm per s, powered by a 350 W supply, this printer includes auto-leveling functionality and supports English and Chinese languages. It can achieve a maximum printing speed of 150 mm per s and a maximum working speed of 200 mm per s, compatible with operating systems such as Creality Slicer, Cura, Repetier Host, and Simplify 3D. The printer supports filaments like PLA, ABS, TPU, copper, wood, and more, with a precision of plus 0.01 mm and a standard nozzle diameter of 0.4 mm, custom options available. The maximum print size is 220 x 200 x 270 mm, utilizing FDM molding technology and operating at a voltage range of 110-220 V. The printer features an SD interface, CE certification, and supports file formats like STL, OBJ, and AMF. It offers a reliable printing method through Type-C USB or SD card, providing a versatile and user-friendly 3D printing solution for users.